Welcome, and in this video you're going to be learning about the art of creating a one-time offer and how you can use one-time offers in your sales funnel to increase your bottom line revenue and pay for some of your ad spend that you're using to get customers into that funnel in the first place. So I first heard about the one-time offer through another sales funnel expert, Russell Brunson, and if you don't know what it is, it goes like this. So clients enter your funnel right here and they opt in for something free. All right, so there's the opt-in page. Okay, now when they click submit, it takes them to another page, right? This is part 2 of the funnel. Now in this page is your OTO, or your one-time offer, and what this is that it is a scarcity offer that says, hey, this offer is, you're only going to see it one time. If you click out of this page, it goes away, but I'm going to offer you a deal right now. And it's basically an upsell, but it's also cool because you can think of it as a little bit of a loss leader. So let's say you have 100 people get into your top of funnel, and to get them in there, it costs you $15, okay? But let's say in your one-time portion of your sales funnel, you're making a $17 pitch, and even just one person out of those 100 buy it. So if you convert it 1%, you're actually profiting on your ad spend. You're making $17 for every 15 spent. So really, it's profiting you $2 to acquire a customer. So that's a really good way to kind of make some of that money back. Now, even if you break even, then that's kind of the cost of doing business, but it's also good. That means you're getting customers for free. So that's the beauty of the one-time offer. Now, there is an art and a science to this, so I'm going to show you today how to craft and position a one-time offer to get more sales and reduce your bottom line. First question for your one-time offer is, what makes a good one-time offer? So when I'm putting together those first upsells right out of the top of the funnel, I like to put together something that's perceived as more valuable than what I was offering for free. Also, that is a little bit more expensive than what I was just offering. But also, I want it to be something that's in the same kind of category, okay? So let's say if I was giving away an ebook on how to craft good headlines for a sales page. Well, my one-click upsell, or your one-time offer, might be, here's a done-for-you sales template with a video walkthrough. So what that's doing is, one, your one-time offer is related, because it's, in that instance, it's all related to copy and selling more. Number two, your offer is more valuable because you're going from an ebook to a done-for-you template with a video. So the person sees that as being a lot more valuable, right? And three, if your lead-in was free, this one's not going to be free, okay? This is going to be priced. So even a customer seeing this is going to say this is more valuable because there's a price to it, right? And this is something that he didn't feel like he can just give away. So there has to be a little bit more value to it. So when you're thinking of putting together a one-time offer as the second stage of your sales funnel, this is what you kind of want to be thinking about. Now let's get into pricing. So I have a few, just not super hard and fast, but just a few guidelines for pricing your OTO. And it goes like this. Your OTO should be 3 times more than your lead magnet or your free opt-in, or if it was free, it should be at least $9.99. So 3 times whatever the cost of the opt-in was, or $9.99, whichever one's greater. So let's say you were giving away a free ebook, and you wanted to give that sales video with a done-for-you template. So I would be pricing that at $9.99. It's under 10, it's way low enough for someone to kind of make an impulse purchase. So it's not like it's like $100 or $1,000. People can say, oh, whatever, 10 bucks, this seems really cool, it's not gonna hurt me, I'm gonna buy it. Now, if your lead magnet, let's say, is a little piece of software that costs $7, then maybe you could give away a short how-to video series about using it and how to optimize it. But that is going to be $21 equals OTO. So 3 times more than that. So those are just some kind of guidelines I recommend for pricing your OTO. You don't want to price yourself out of the ballgame because you still have to ramp up to your higher ticket items. But you also don't want to be like, it's $1. Some people do that. Ryan Dice, our digital marketer, often offers some upsell courses for $1. But these are the guidelines that I like to kind of stick with. So 3 times or $9.99, whichever comes first. So hopefully you've got your email client set up, and hopefully you can kind of segment your audience or tag them in this email marketing tool. So if you're using ActiveCampaign or Infusionsoft, whatever, you can tag your buyers, right? So if you have people that come in through that opt-in and they buy, let's say it's 100, and then they get to the one-time offer and 3 people buy, so you're converting at 3%, which is really good. Congrats to you. Then those 3 people, you can tag however you want to. Let's just say you tag them in your email marketing service as OTOs. Now what you can do is these are going to be the people that are more likely to spend more money with you later on. Because the thinking goes, if they've already said yes to one of your offers that's paid, then they're much more likely to say yes again. These people are really interested. They're interested enough to already be spending money on you. So you want to tag these people. Now, another cool thing is you've got their email address, because to get these 2, they had to put in their email address. So what you can do is put all these emails, like let's say you did this for a few days and you got like 75 OTO opt-ins. You can put those 75 emails into Facebook, and Facebook will create a custom audience that closely resembles these 75 people of folks that are likely to buy in the future. So it's going to take all 75 and say, okay, they like this, they are this age, they live here, blah, 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 blah. And they'll create an audience of other folks on Facebook that are likely to buy your one-time offer based on what people who have already bought it look like. So one-time offer can be used in a lot of ways. I like to look at it as kind of your recouper in your sales funnel. Okay, so you're paying to get people in. It is an opportunity to add value, and it's an opportunity to get a lot more insight into which members of your audience are buying. So there you have it. That's how you can use one-time offers to increase the value of your sales funnels, to pay for your advertising spend, and to find new customers that you can advertise to in the future. I'm Brandon Stiles. I'm a sales funnel expert out of Atlanta. And if you don't mind, I'd love for you to click through to my website, which is linked below in the comments, and check it out. So thanks for watching. I hope that helped, and we'll see you next time.